Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're gonna talk about HVAC and what it really does. So HVAC is all about keeping indoor spaces comfortable by controlling the temperature and ensuring clean air.
H equals heating. V equals ventilation. AC equals air conditioning.
Let's start with heating. At home, we use air conditioners during summer to stay cool and heaters in winter to keep warm, so the indoor temperature feels just right. In industries like food storage or pharmaceuticals, we keep products like medicines or perishable foods at very specific temperatures, often really low. So basically, heating in HVAC is all about making sure a space stays at the right temperature. Next up, ventilation. In our homes, windows let fresh air in and push stale air out. But in office buildings or other enclosed spaces, air doesn't naturally flow, so ventilation becomes really important. Without it, people inside breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide travels back to the air handling unit, or AHU, through the return ducts, gets filtered, and then is sent back into the room. If too much carbon dioxide builds up, oxygen levels drop, and people start feeling uncomfortable, headaches, dizziness, or just feeling sluggish. To fix this, we bring in fresh air from outside and mix it with the return air, making sure the room always has enough oxygen to keep everyone comfortable. And that's basically what ventilation is all about. Now let's talk about air conditioning. Air from outside often carries dust and moisture. Filters remove the dust, and moisture eliminators take care of any excess humidity, so the air entering the room is clean, fresh, and comfortable. That's the main idea of air conditioning: good quality air at the right temperature and humidity. And that's pretty much how an HVAC system works. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge for more educational content like this. Thank you.